Hello students, welcome ulit sa online tutorial natin. Continue tayo with problem number 7. So for number 7, we have the integral of, we have 5 to the power 3 minus 2x. 5 to the power 3 minus 2x. Tama ba? Yep, tama. Sige, dx. Now, okay, now, you can actually use a substitution here. Kung mapapansin nyo, it is still in the form of a to the power x, except instead of x, we have 3 minus 2x. Okay? So, I think this is very easy. Your neutralizing factor should be negative 1/2. However, again, it might not be clear sa inyo, so I'll proceed with a detailed solution. Sige. So, I will let u be equal to 3 minus 2x, wherein du should be equal to negative 2 dx. Okay, I hope you agree with that. Next, I will try to change, no? So notice, I can substitute the exponent with u. However, to change dx with du, I need negative 2. Therefore, I will multiply the function with negative 2. However, if I multiply it with negative 2, I need to neutralize it with 1 over negative 2. So that, basically, we just multiplied the function with positive 1. Diba? Negative 2 over negative 2 is just 1. Multiplying the equation with 1 does not necessarily change its value. Okay? And then I can now proceed with the substitution. So I can change this one with 5 to the power u. And then this whole term, negative 2 dx, will be du. Okay? And then next, I can proceed with the substitution. With the equation 5 for the basic integration formulas. Sige, let's proceed. So with this, my answer should be negative 1 over 2 multiplied by, that's 1 over, I'll just copy this one, ln 5 or ln a. In this case, a is actually the constant 5, so that's ln 5 multiplied by 5 to the power, a to the power x, or in this case, a to the power u. U is ito pala, plus c. Okay, so this will be our answer. Again, we'll just actually substitute the original value of u in terms of x. So u is actually, okay, and then I think this is it. This will be our answer. So I'll just simplify, no? I'll put 2 here, and then the negative will just be here. Yeah. Okay, so I think that's it. That will be our answer. Anyway, we have our answer key. Let's try to check if we got the correct answer. It's problem number 7, right? So negative, tama. So same lang. Okay. So same pa din. If you have any questions or clarifications, comment down below. Salamat sa panonood, and see you sa next problem natin, which is problem number 8.